Hi, friends. So, this week, as some of us are getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving with our families, I wanted to talk about families. Now, this Thanksgiving might not be as much family as you usually see for some people, but still, it's important to think about the people that we love and the people that we're thankful for. Remember, we've been talking about being thankful because we're getting ready for Thanksgiving, a day about being thankful and a day for eating turkey. So let's read a little bit about families for today's story. This is called The Family Book, and the author is Todd Parr, who's also the same author as the book I read to you called It's Okay to Be Different. He writes a lot of awesome books for kids. He's also the illustrator, so he also drew all these cool pictures. All right, so let's read The Family Book. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little family right on the first page. These characters are always so funny and adorable. All right. Some families are big. Some families are small. That is true. Look at all those bunnies. That is one big family. Some families are the same color. Some families are different colors. Todd Parr just has the best pictures, the most colorful pictures in his book. All families like to hug each other. That is for sure. I love hugging everyone in my family. I love hugging them all at the same time, too. I even love to hug my dog and my cat. Some families live near each other. Like this looks like it might be a little family of maybe mice living in this little hole right here. Some families live near each other. Some families live far from each other. Maybe you might have some relatives, some family members that live far away. Like maybe they live in another state or maybe they live in another country. So something I'm thankful for is Zoom. So you can Zoom your family members who live really far away. Or you can call them on the phone too. Some families look alike. That means they look the same. Some families look like their pets. Oh my goodness. Look at this dog over here. This family and their dog all look the same. All families are sad when they lose someone they love. Oh, look at that poor little fish all lost in the other bowl by himself. It is sad to be away from your family sometimes. Some families have a stepmom or a stepdad or stepsisters or stepbrothers, and some families adopt children. So this family, looks like this duck family found this little penguin who maybe didn't have a mom or a dad. He didn't have a family. So they adopted him. That means they took them into their family. So now this little penguin has a family. His family is these little ducks. Isn't that nice? They adopted him into their family. Some families have two moms or two dads. Some families have just one parent instead of two. All families are different. All families like to celebrate special days together. Oh, look. Looks like they're celebrating this grandma and grandpa's 100th birthday. Oh my goodness, what a special birthday. Some families eat the same things. Some families eat different things. So this cow family, they're both eating grass. In this family, we've got the dog who eats bones, the cat who eats fish, and the bunny who eats carrots. Some families like to be quiet. Some families like to be noisy. I would say my family likes both. Sometimes we like to be quiet and sometimes we like to be noisy. Some families like to be clean. Some families like to be messy. Look at this clean little pig family in the tub. And then also we've got the dirty pig family rolling in the mud. Some families live in a house by themselves. Some families share a house with other families. Look Look at this tree house. It's shared by the monkey family, the raccoon family, and I don't know what's in their family. Maybe an owl? Or maybe a squirrel family or a chipmunk family? What do you think it is? All families can help each other be strong. Look at that elephant family. There are lots of different ways to be a family. Your family is special, no matter what kind of family it is. Love, Todd. That's the man Todd Parr who made the book. He wanted to write you guys that special message about being a family. I'll read it to you one more time. There are lots of different ways to be a family. Your family is special no matter what kind it is. That's a really nice message from Todd Parr, the man who made this book. What a special message about families. Families are the best. That's the thing I think I'm most thankful for is my family. And I bet you are too. It's nice to have people that love you and take care of you and play with you and help you. Families are really the best part of our lives. All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Start thinking about your family and who's in your family. Your family might be different than mine. It might be different from your friends. But your family is very special. I'll see you soon.